Happy Saturday, everybody. Today's Story Saturday, and today's story is about how Susan reversed her prediabetes within 8 weeks. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, where stories spark change. So, Susan was 58 years old, and she didn't feel sick, but her A1C had crept up into the pre-diabetic range, and her doctor said, "Well, let's just watch it." But Susan had watched it long enough. She wanted to take action before things got worse, and that's why she came to me. Today's nugget: prediabetes is the warning light, so don't ignore it. So, what we had Susan do was swap her morning toast for eggs and avocado. She cut out added sugar, focused on protein and whole food fats. And within 8 weeks, not only did she drop 12 pounds, her A1C dropped below 5.6, she lost 2 inches off her waist, and her doctor was stunned. But she wasn't, and either was I. She had taken control. So here's the strategy for today. This weekend, choose one upgrade. Start your day with protein, drink water instead of soda, or plan meals that won't spike your blood sugar and add healthy fats. Believe me, I know how hard it is, or it could seem hopeless because you've tried diet after diet before. I'm going to throw some pictures up of me. This is me at 254 pounds, and now today I am at 166. I'm going for my wedding weight of 155. So you can do it. You're not powerless. You just need a plan. I'll see you tomorrow.